Hello everyone, how to do back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to introduce an app. It's called Yoomee, dating and relationships application. So you can download or install this application from Google Play Store or App Store. In both stores this app is available, and you can see the rating of the app 4.1 out of 5 and 138K reviews. It means 138,000 people write something about this app. We'll see it later. And the size of the app only 18 megabyte, and 1 million plus people already download or uses this application. So if you really want to see the interface, then come here, and then you'll see a singles relationship waiter. So you will find all kind of dating person here, and you will also find if someone nearby to you, and you can also chat with people. You can sign up. It's really simple and easy. You have to give name, age and location, and that's it. And match, if you match, then you can date with them, and also you can win. You have won 9 hearts. So people match, chat and date. So it's really easy. If you really want to learn more about this app, and go here, and you can see enjoy meeting local people. It's never been easier to find dates. Okay, and here are some key feature, and the app is released 2019. If you want to see more about this app or learn more about this app, then here are 5-star reviews. So all the people have said it's good, and there are also some negative reviews here. You can check it before installing in this application. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.